What if I show you a simple recipe you can make and grow back your thinning edges, bald spots and thicker hair in no time? In today's video, I'll be showing you this recipe that you can make. So keep watching and like this video and subscribe to the channel. To begin with, we will be needing the first ingredient, which is hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus is one of the ingredients you would not want to skip whenever you are making the hair treatment. Hibiscus has really helped me to grow my hair. Every time I make my hair treatments, I like to include hibiscus. Whether it's a leave-in or rinse off, I add hibiscus because it is really great. It helps to moisturize the hair, the strands. Also, hibiscus helps to treat bald spots and hair thinning. So, if you have those issues, consider including hibiscus to your hair care routine. Here is another powerful ingredient I make every time I'm making my hair treatment. I never skip using rosemary, and this herb has really helped me. It has really helped me. I don't know how I can say about this herb. It is really a game changer. It has helped me to grow my hair where there was no any hair. My hair has started growing even on the hairline. There used to be no hair, but since I started incorporating rosemary in my hair care routine, I can really say that this is a game changer. So you need to start including something like rosemary, and you do not want to skip it every time if you want immediate result. We have another ingredient, which is green tea. We will be needing green tea for this recipe. Green tea is a great DHT blocker. It blocks the DHT, which makes the hair to fall out. So if you experiencing hair loss, then you need something to block the DHT and to stop those hair loss. So including something like green tea to your hair care routine will help to stop hair loss and hair thinning. So right now I'm going to transfer all my ingredients to a jar, and I will add some hibiscus flowers. I'm not adding a lot. I will also be adding some rosemary, just like 2 teaspoons. These ingredients are really potent. You do not need to add a lot. So just a small scoop is enough. And as you can see, I'm using small jar here. So I'm not going to add as much ingredient as I would like to make a lot of treatment. But for today, I'll just be making a small treatment. So right now I'm adding water and I'm using hot water. Just make sure to infuse your ingredients with hot water. Hot water will help not only to infuse the ingredients faster, but also will help to make sure that all the ingredients release all the nutrients. So I added water and now I'm covering everything, and I'll leave this one to infuse for about 12 hours. I always like to infuse mine for 12 hours or overnight. Also, you can extend the infusion for 24 hours for better infusion. After 12 hours, as you can see, some rosemary is on top. It didn't settle all of it, but again, you can just leave it for longer so that the rosemary infuse and release all the nutrients. So now I'm straining out to get the liquid which I'm interested in. Thank you so much guys for watching this video up to this point, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Also give this video a thumbs up, share to your loved ones, and also turn on the bell notification if this is the kind of content you'd love to watch. After straining out, now I'm transferring the treatment to an applicator bottle so I can proceed and show you guys how I use it on my hair. I will also be explaining different ways you can use this treatment so that you achieve all the amazing benefits that you need. So this is how my hair looks right now, and I will be using this spray when my hair is twisted. So I'm going to apply starting from the scalp as I move towards the hair strands and to the ends of my hair. My hair is really dry. I'm going to be remoisturizing it today, and so I will be using this as a leave-in treatment. So if you want to achieve all the amazing benefits, and I mean all the amazing benefits, if you have bald spots, thinning edges, and your hair is breaking or you have hair loss, then use a leave-in treatment like this. Do not rinse it out if you want all the amazing benefits and if you want immediate result. So since I started incorporating herbal hair teas as leave-in, I have really experienced a lot of change. Even my hairline is growing. I'm just going to do a video updating on my hairline. It has really grown. I can see baby hairs, and it's really I'm really happy about that. And it's through consistency with these herbs. They have really helped me. I never had any hairline before, but right now I'm happy to see baby hairs starting growing, and really these herbs are game changer. So if you want to grow your hair faster or you want to grow your hair thicker, if you have problems like hair loss, if you have bald spots, then you need to start this journey right now. So once you apply this at least 2 to 3 times a week on your problem areas mostly, do not forget to massage it in. Massage it to your scalp and to your problem areas. Also, when you apply it to your hair strands, do not forget to apply a leave-in treatment and oil or hair butter in order to seal in moisture and lock it. So one of the second way you can use this tea, you can use it as a herbal tea rinse. Whenever you wash your hair, you shampoo your hair, and you're experiencing breakage or hair loss, then using this as a herbal tea will help a lot because it will help to block DHT that causes hair loss and your hair will not break. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next.